Hello everybody, I'm Simran and today I'm going to tell you that how we can calculate the sum of digits of a particular integral value. Okay, so this is the basic form and the simplest form that I've created over here. This form contains two label, one burden and two text fields. Okay, the variable name of this text field I've given to it is T1 and for it is T2. Yes, it is T2. Okay, so this is the text field where I will get the input. Okay, that what is that number whose sum of digits I want to calculate. Okay, so whenever I'll click the button submit, then the output will be displayed here. It should be displayed over here. Okay, so this is what my target is. Okay, so let's get started. Double click over this button and let's write our code. First of all, I will get the text. Okay, I will use the getText method to get the text over here, and then I will parse into integer data type. Okay, so the first step is parsing. Okay, so string, let us say it is s1 is equal to t1 dot a. The text field t1 is what where I will get the input. So that's why I'm using getText method over it. So string s1 is equal to t1 dot getText. Okay, then I'm gonna parse it out. Int a. What is a? A is the integral value stored in text field 1. Okay, t1. So that is a. Okay, so int a is equal to integer dot parse int. Okay, and what is that string? That string is s1. Okay, now so its code, what will be its code? Here comes to the main part. So first of all, I will write and then I will explain. So while a is greater than 0, okay, let me introduce another variable here which is sum and initialize it as equal to 0. Now why 0 I will tell you later. So while a is greater than 0, then my output will be like sum is equal to sum plus a modulus 10 and a is equal to a divided by 10. A is equal to a divided by 10, and this I'm gonna set in T2. Dot set text. I'm gonna set a. Okay, now let me explain that how it is. So let's consider a basic example. Suppose I've taken an integral value equals to 1 2 3. Okay, I've typed 1 2 3 in it, and whenever I'll click submit button, then it must show 6 over here. Okay, so I've taken 1 2 3 is equal to a. So initially a is equal to 1 2 3. My initial integral value that I've typed is equal to 1 2 3. Now what will happen? First of all, it will check the condition. Condition is 1 2 3. Whether it is greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0. So it will move ahead. And now it will generate the new sum. Okay, so new sum is equal to old sum. What was old sum? It was 0. Now this is the fact that why we have choose 0. Okay, why have choose 0? Because whenever we will add 0 to any number, the result will be that number. So that's why we have chosen 0 over there. If we choose 1 over there, if we choose 2 over there, if we choose 3, then our result will be unexpected. Okay, so sum is equal to sum plus this. Okay, so what was our old sum? Our old sum was 0. So our new sum, it will be sum is equal to old sum, which was 0, plus a modulus 10. What is a? A is 1 2 3 divided by 10, and what is the remainder is what a modulus 10. Okay, so 1 2 3, whenever I'll divide it by 10, then 10 1 8 10 2 3 10 2 8 20, I'm getting 3. Okay, so 3 is equal to what is new sum? Simply it is equal to 3. So it will move ahead and now it will calculate the new value of a. So a new is equal to a divided by 10. Now it is divided over here, not modulus. a divided, so keep this thing in mind that it is divided over here and it is modulus over here. So a divided by 10, what is a? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 divided by 10, and I'm getting 12. So new a is equal to 12. Then it will again move the condition from here. When new value of a is generated, then from here it will again move to the condition. Again it will check the condition and the loop will start. So 12 is again greater than 0. So it will again move ahead. So sum is equal to sum. So now new a is equal to 12. So sum is equal to old sum. Old sum was 3. Old sum was 3. 3 plus a modulus 10. What is a? 10. 10 divided by, it is a. A is equal to 12. 12. Whenever I'll divide it by 10, then I'm getting remainder is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So my new sum is 5. And again it will move ahead. A is equal to a divided by 10. What is a now? A is equal to 12. Okay, 12 divided by 10. What I'm getting over here? A is equal to 12. Then I'm getting over here, whenever I'll divide a, okay, by 10. What is a? A is 12. And whenever I'll divide it with the 10, and then 10 1 here 10. Okay, so I'm getting 1. I'm getting 1. So it is integer. A is an integer, so it will not consider that points and all. So it will simply consider the value before point, which is equal to 1. Okay, so a is equal to a divided by 10. So a is 1 now. Again it will move the condition from here, and again 1 is greater than 0. So the condition is again true. So again it will let it move ahead. So moving ahead, it will be a1 over here. New a is 1. So sum is equal to old sum. Old sum was 5. 5 plus. Now a modulus 10. What is a? A is 1. Modulus 10. Modulus 10. Okay. So let me calculate the modulus over here. So 1 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10. What I'm getting is 0.1. Okay. So 1 divided by 10 is what I'm getting, 0.1. Now, how to calculate its modulus? So here is what 0, here is what 1. Numerator minus the value of result, the leftmost value of result. Okay, so minus them 1. The numerator of the values, okay, whose modulus I want to calculate, that is 1. 1 minus its leftmost part, which is 0. Before point you can say 0. So its modulus is 1. So its modulus is 1. This is how we can calculate modulus. This is primary mathematics. Okay, 1 divided by 10 is 0.1, which is equal to, its modulus is equal to, so I must write here mod is equal to, okay, so it is equal to this numerator minus this term, and it is equal to 1. Okay, so the value of this I'm getting is equal to 1. So the new sum will be 6. The new sum will be 6. So it will move ahead. It will move ahead. Now, what is a divided by 10? What is a divided by 10? I'm getting is equal to 0. I'm getting is equal to 0. Now, how 0? Because it will not consider this. It will not consider this part, because I've chosen the value of a. I've chosen the value of a as int. So it will not consider this part. I've already explained you that why it is not considered the part, because a I've given data type to it as integer, so it will not consider the part after the point. So the value of a is 0 now. Now it will again move the condition. Now 0 is greater than 0. 0 is equal to 0, but 0 is greater. So my loop will terminate over here. My loop will terminate over here. So it will, from here it will move. From here it will move here. Oh, what is this? Okay, so from here it will move here. So here what it will do? Sorry, it will be sum over here. It will be sum over here. So there is little correction. So from here, what it will do? It will print the sum. It it will print the sum which is equal to 6, the last value of sum which is equal to 6 I'm getting. And yes, it is true, 1 2 3, the sum of its digits is 6. So let me check. Okay, so I'm entering a number, let us say it is 8, it is 9, and then it is 2, and it is correct. Okay, 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 2 is 19, it is correct. 1 2 3, I'm getting 6, I already know. So it is completely correct. So this is how I made it. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you now. You must try it once. It is a very short code. All you need to do is just have an understanding of what is mod, how to calculate mod. Okay, this is what the basics we need to know, and how to parse, how to get, okay, how to use while loop. This is what we need to know in this code. Thank you so much.